WorkIndia was founded in 2015, and our purpose of existence is to provide meaningful livelihood to 23.7 crore blue-collar workforce across India and eventually to 1.2 billion population across the globe.
We empower over 1.5 lakh Indians monthly to find jobs, and over 15 lakh MNCs and SMBs trust us to meet their critical hiring needs.
In line with our vision, we were actually looking for an HRMS tool which would fit all our needs. Right? So we had done a needs analysis and we knew exactly this is what we wanted. And that's where Keka came into the picture. Also, the good thing was it was in budget, right? So it was kind of a very easy decision for me and the team to go ahead with Keka.
We were into manual sheets, maintaining Google Sheets or Excels. And after we moved into automation through Keka, we started managing all the employee database on Keka, and the transition was quite seamless as the UI of Keka, which I find is very easy to understand.
So the help desk module is in fact one of the most used modules here. Typically in my past experiences, getting people on board to a help desk module has been the most difficult, right? Because a lot of friction. But Keka has been wonderful. The tool is very simple, very intuitive. And today, pretty much all the tickets, 100% of the tickets that we raise come on Keka. There is nothing on emails. And they automatically get routed to, let's say, an asset management or an IT service, or everything happens through Keka. And what it helps is there's chat, there's reminders, there's reports.
Be it a startup or enterprise, an HRMS tool is a must for any company to scale better. Keka perfectly fits in, and it has everything that you and your employees will love.